Hi everybody, this is just a reminder of how to access Barracuda and add an email to a block list just after all of the phishing attempts that have been going on in district. I am working with BOCES to just tighten everything up, but every once in a while these phishing emails are going to get through and we need to be vigilant with checking and making sure that the emails that we're receiving are valid emails and that we're not clicking any links unless we know who it's from. So just one of the emails that we got is this. So this was the phishing email that showed up in everybody's email box. If you notice, it says Matthew.Pascal. Matthew is not spelled correctly. He uses two T's in his name. .weebatuck.org@gmail.com. So this was a red flag right away that it was not coming from within district, okay? So we just need to be vigilant to look at our emails and make sure that that they're an okay in-network email, or if they're not, we need to proceed with caution. And he really did try a couple times. So the trick was the subject, hello, are you available here? Hello, are you available right now? Continuously phishing. Some of the other things that happened were that they requested phone numbers from employees. They requested credit card numbers to purchase Walmart gift cards. Unless you are in, I had a verbal conversation with someone about that. I would never do that over the phone or online. Okay? So just take some precautions. Now, back to Barracuda. In order to access your Barracuda from home, you go to the homepage of our website. You go to staff, and then it says Barracuda email gateway right there. You open it up. Your username is your email address. Okay. And then you input your password. Okay. If you do not remember your password, just input your email address and then click create new password. You will be emailed a new password. Okay. Once you're in, you want to go to the preferences, whitelist, blocklist. And this is where I want to make sure that I am adding, so that is my allow list. That's where the emails get added. So if I wanted to add an email, I would type it in and then click add. I go all the way to the bottom. And that's where I want to add the Matthew.Pascal .weebatuck.org@gmail.com. Okay, and I'm going to add that there. And now anything that comes in from this user should go directly to my block list. Okay, so that is how you whitelist an email, and then you can also blocklist an email. All right. I hope everybody's okay and healthy, and I miss you. I'll talk to you soon.